Most business professionals use ChatGPT like a smart search engine or chatbot. That's a mistake. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 advanced use cases that unlock the real power of ChatGPT or AI as a thinking partner to solve the real life or work problems. And you can apply the same framework to Copilot, Claude, or Gemini. Any language model you choose, no limit. This is about upgrading and inspiring you how you can leverage the true power of AI, not just how you prompt. My name is Selin Xu. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help business professionals like you make AI part of your daily workflow and leverage them effectively. First, make ChatGPT your self-discovery and growth partner. The case is more personal. You can use ChatGPT as a reflection mirror. After months of conversation with ChatGPT, turn on the memory and ask, based on our discussion, what pattern do you see in my thinking? What strengths do I consistently show, or where might I be limited myself? It's surprisingly revealing. You start to see the blind spot, hidden strengths, repeat frustrations. Then take that summary and use it for update your customer instruction for any AI tool. Transfer knowledge about you to any new AI tool for better tailored support in future, or even create your personal development plan. Now your AI grows with you. I get inspiration and I just talk to my ChatGPT. Says, hi, could you summarize 4-page everything you know about me, the interaction with you, and give me the suggestion what I want to be for understand myself better. And after 8 seconds, they have information about that. Part 1, who you are in practice based on how you use me. And they have different section about that. And then the part 2, what you seems to value. And it's give me ChatGPT's interpretation about my value. And the third part is your current tension, which is you ask a lot of questions, maybe they can interpret what you cared about and what problem you want to solve, and so on and so forth. And part 4 is what you are likely becoming. And it's inspiring, I have to say, and I ping it here. And after I have this, then I actually use some information here. I said I want to be a person like this. I want to help people and organization like this. And based on interaction with the ChatGPT, from that point of view, how should I improve and what am I miss? And could you create a plan for me to improve? It's give me the suggestion about the plan. And I even said, could you set up a schedule for me to remind me to follow this 90 days plan? And it become my coach for my personal growth. Number 2 and 3, build your own AI coach and strategic coworkers. This one is huge. You just need to structure. Once you understand your goal and your weakness, you can build your own AI coaches. Take any book, framework, or video you trust or you want to adopt. Turn them into structured instructions. Feed them into ChatGPT. Now, it doesn't just give you a genetic advice. It coaches you based on the specific framework you choose. In this video, I will show you 3 examples to spark your own imagination. My personal brand coach, my communication coach, and my AI business system architect. Now you have your virtual coworker filling your skill gaps. I have different customized ChatGPTs, which I create, and also I have project. And now I want to walk you through 3 of that. One is my personal brand coach. Second is my persuasion coach. And the third one is AI business system architect. So about my personal brand coach, I build like this. I have instruction says you are my personal brand strategist and daily coach, and your job is whatever. And I specify the output you must do whatever, and treat the 4 PDF a primary source. And in those PDF, I specify what I want to be, and I want what my brand be, and how people build a good personal brand from different YouTube video. If you want to see, I will show what it looks like. It looks like the summary of the key insight. It's just the plan and understand how should this personal brand be built. Then I can ask the question to this ChatGPT, say, help me to refine my personal brand and position. It's showing what the PDF request, what is the mode, audience clarity, and the different step. Here is my persuasion coach and assistant. I really enjoy the tips from Johanna, and I want her become my personal coach. I create a customized ChatGPT, and then I have description says you are my experienced copywriter and have 10 plus years sales experience, focus on having stronger and comfortable influence. And then I have the instruction says, reference the document I upload about the planning and thinking and how to tell the best story. And those 2 documents are from the summary from YouTube video I really enjoying from Johanna. And then I also specify says, to make better persuasion, please ask me the question with following. I specify the workflow. I also give some specific instructions says, help me think any opportunity and cognitive friction I need to remove according to the thinking. What I did is I go to my ChatGPT and I transcribed. I said, like, could you summarize the detail about this specific video? And then I get main point. And I ask, please turn this into a structured or framework for ChatGPT can referring for my thinking and creating process. And then I have this document done. And I copy and paste it into a Word document or PDF. Then I can create a customized GPT, or I can upload as the reference as the project to guide my thinking and coach how I behave in the future. You can also use the other format instead of the customized ChatGPT, but in project format to have the instruction for a specific coach purpose or editing purpose. So I have this AI business system architect for my own use. Why I have this? Because I'm in data science and I'm a business people, but I lack of the information about how to do systematic architect, especially when I want to build specific application. I want to know what process I want to do and how I should break down this application into different part, and this need a serious engineering information. That's why I create this. So how I create this is, you can see my project setting. I said, you are my specialist AI system consultant, helping an AI and data strategist to build an automation infrastructure for their one-person business or application can help use a big organization and improve efficiency. And I specify your primary role is design, architect, implement AI powers, and core responsibility is first, the system architecture. Second, AI agent design. Third, automation strategy. Fourth, implement guidance. And in that way, next time, if I have a new case for design an automation system for myself or my business case, I can just start a chat here. And this project will, based on the information I gave, provide relevant information and suggestion to my specific project. In this way, you incorporate an specialist who have an architect specialist and also AI automation background or reference to help you to build the system. If you're interested in any customized ChatGPT I create, leave a comment below with wanted and the name of ChatGPT. Then I will send you the link. You can use the customized ChatGPT directly if you have a paid subscription without any more effort. The professionals who win the next 5 years won't be the one who use AI occasionally. It will be the one who leverage them. They will be the one who build thinking system around it and leverage them. If the video spark idea for you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it. Comment below which use case you are going to implement first. If you want more practical AI frameworks for practical use, subscribe. And if your team needs structured AI training instead of random experimentation, reach out. I help organizations turn AI curiosity into real execution. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.